What's up, guys? So I'm gonna show you today how to make protein coffee. So I've talked about this so many times before, how coffee is making you fat. And it's not the coffee that's actually making you fat, it's the stuff that you put in it. So I'm gonna apologize first and foremost if there's a lot of noise. It's Saturday morning, the kids are up, and I'm sure you're gonna hear my son going nuts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, this way you never miss a beat and you get cool information like this all the time. So anyway, I talk about all the time how coffee has so many hidden calories in it that add up throughout the day. But I'm gonna show you how to add protein to your coffee, and it'll almost act as the additives that you normally would put in coffee. So you're gonna take your plain black coffee, so I got that here, and you have it in your anabolic Ariel cup, okay? This helps with gains, this helps you lose more body fat, okay? Then I got my shaker cup here. I literally have 2 ounces of water in there, okay? And I'll show you why that's important. And then I have AB Fitness Whey, all right? So basically what I'm gonna do, and today I'm just gonna do this with 1 scoop of protein because that's just what I want. So you could do this with 2 as well. So I'll just measure out 1 scoop of protein. 1 scoop of protein is about 25 grams of protein. Okay, perfect. And you want very, very little water in there because you just want it to be mixed. So the reason why you have to do it like this, and I'll show you, let's shake it up. The reason why you have to do it like this is because if I just add the powder into the coffee, it's gonna coagulate, I like that word, it's gonna coagulate. So basically because the coffee is very hot and protein's derived from milk, it'll curdle. All right, so you just mix it a little bit with the water. See, it's really, really thick. Unscrew it. Then you're just gonna take your coffee. Oh, spilled a little bit. My wife's gonna kill me. All right, you add the hot coffee in there. Put your shaker cup on. You can use a spoon too. And then just mix it up. And that's it. So, it's like regular coffee, okay? It's almost like you add milk to your coffee. And what I love about this is that it actually cuts the taste of the whey. It makes it a lot smoother and a lot easier to drink. It's not so thick, and it's not scalding because there's a little bit of milk, water. So that's it. That's all it takes. Again, like I said, you could literally do this with 2 scoops of protein or 1, whatever's gonna fit your diet best, but this is the best way to have coffee in the morning. Like I said, 25 to 50 grams of protein, no carbs, no fat, and a little bit of caffeine to get you through your day. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.